Everybody wants to talk about flowers, but nobody wants to talk about liability insurance. And if you're opening a U-pick flower farm, you really need to think about it. I just wanted to follow up on one of my latest videos where I talked about 5 mistakes of starting a U-pick flower farm. And one of the questions that I got was, do I need liability insurance in order to have a U-pick flower farm? And my answer is absolutely yes, you do. So if you're just having friends and family come over and cut flowers, that's one thing. But the moment that you have strangers on your property, it's going to be super important that you have that liability insurance. Hopefully you never have to use it, right? I don't even want to say it. I have to knock on wood. We haven't had to use it yet. But in order to get liability insurance, our U-pick flower farm is on our property. And so we reached out to the company that we had homeowners insurance through. And the original company, I can't remember who it was, but they said, yes, you can have liability insurance, but you can't let people use scissors on your property. And I was like, how is that going to work for a U-pick flower farm? Like, they have to cut flowers. So shop around, find a company that is willing to cover your flower farm, explain what you have going on, and really what it added to our annual premium was not very significant. I was pleasantly surprised. It doesn't cost that much, and it just gives you that extra layer of protection. If anybody were to roll their ankle or cut themselves, whatever, on your property, you want to be covered for that. So definitely look into getting liability insurance before you let anybody on your property to cut flowers. And if you are a flower farm that's delivering flowers and nobody's coming onto your property, you might be safe without that liability insurance. It's very dependent on your situation.